Kristen King from the Investing Channel, and you're watching Pink Diamond, the show where we help you find the diamonds in the rough of the pink sheet and small cap market. This week, we're looking at a sector that is very much in focus right now and which will have an even bigger role to play in the future of greening our economy. That sector is batteries and their role in power generation and storage. Typically, companies such as Tesla and QuantumScape grab all the headlines and market attention, but there are other long-standing businesses in this area, albeit at a far smaller scale. One such business is Ozop Energy Solutions. Headquartered in Warwick, New York, the company designs, develops, manufactures, and distributes ultra-high-power chargers, inverters, and power supplies for use in a wide variety of sectors, including defense, heavy industry, aviation, ground support, and maritime roles. Most recently, it has developed a range of high-powered charges for the next generation of commercial electric vehicles, or EVs, such as trucks and vans. Ozop has plenty of experience working on high-tech projects, as its battery charging equipment has been installed on some of the U.S. Navy's nuclear attack submarines. Last week, the company announced orders worth $1.6 million for the components used in commercial energy generation facilities, a space that Ozop Energy is looking to expand in. The order was placed by Solar Mounts of Michigan and is expected to be the first of 6 such orders, which should be of the same or greater size and that are scheduled to be placed monthly. Solar Mounts and Ozop are also exploring opportunities within the domestic EV charging market and efficient energy storage and resale to utilities during periods of peak demand and rising energy prices. Research conducted by Bloomberg and referenced by the Department of Energy in its December 2020 report on the challenges and opportunities in energy storage found that over the period between 2020 and 2040, there would be an investment of some $662 billion in energy storage infrastructure and technology, with the United States likely to be one of the biggest recipients of that spending. President Biden has already pledged billions of dollars of new cash as part of his bid to stimulate the economy and reduce the nation's carbon emissions. Utility-scale energy storage is seen as playing an increasingly important role in the renewable energy mix. After all, the wind doesn't always blow, and solar panels don't work in the nighttime. So it's imperative to capture and store energy when wind turbines and solar panels are being productive, and then to be able to redistribute that energy to end users on demand. Ozop Energy Solutions is hoping to use its expertise in the battery storage and power generation spaces to tap into this rapidly growing market. This opportunity hasn't gone unnoticed, and Trackstar IQ, our proprietary search tracking database, has identified a good deal of interest in Ozop from Wall Street's finest. In recent days, there have been 197 searches on the stock made by 90 individual institutional investors, which makes Ozop Energy the 16th most researched stock in our database of OTC tickers. We also have noticed a very sharp uptick in trading activity, with more than 104 million shares changing hands on the news of their recent contract win. The stock price jumped by 10% on the news of the order. There have also been 3 additional days recently where daily volume has exceeded 40 million shares. That's impressive for a company with a market cap of just $367.55 million. Ozop's stock price has risen by 1,275% over the year to date, yet it still trades around just 8 cents per share. In physics, a stationary object or body is said to be full of potential energy, and it looks as though that can be also said of Ozop stock. It's up to the company to demonstrate that this potential can be transformed into kinetic energy or movement in both the business and its share price. But given the scale and longevity of the opportunity and the interest among pro traders, this one should definitely go on our watch list and perhaps one day into our portfolios as well. That's all we have time for today, but as usual, make sure you do your due diligence before making any investment decisions. To find out more about our Trackstar IQ data, sign up to our free newsletter at investingchannel.com/Trackstar.